Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried using AI, typed in a quick prompt, got a weird answer, and thought, okay, this is overrated? You wouldn't believe how many people have had the exact same experience. But here's the truth. Most of us are using AI like it's a cheap calculator, just asking it for quick answers and moving on. The top 1%, though, they see AI completely differently. They treat it like a second brain, a tool that can make them faster, smarter, and more creative than ever. Today, I'm going to break this all down for you step by step, so you can stop wasting time and finally unlock AI's full potential. The biggest mistake people make with AI. Here's where most people go wrong. They think AI is just a magic button. They open ChatGPT, type, "Write me a business plan," and expect a perfect solution in 5 seconds. When it spits out something generic, they say, "See? AI's useless." But the problem isn't AI. It's how you're using it. Imagine giving a GPS the wrong address. It's not going to magically take you where you want to go. The top 1% know that AI is only as good as the input you give it. They treat it like a collaborator, not a vending machine. They refine their requests, ask follow-up questions, and guide it toward the result they want. And that's why they get results that feel almost magical. Step 1. They start with strategy, not prompts. The best AI users don't just type random prompts. They know exactly what they're trying to achieve. Before they even open ChatGPT or Midjourney, they ask, "What's the outcome I want?" Are they trying to brainstorm 50 business ideas, summarize a book, or write a sales email? They get clear on the goal first. This is key because AI needs direction. If you don't know where you're going, even the smartest AI can't get you there. Think of it like hiring an assistant. You wouldn't just say, "Do something." You'd say, "Research the top 10 competitors in my niche and give me a one-page summary." The top 1% treat AI the same way. They give it context, background, and purpose before asking for help, which leads to answers that are detailed and useful, not generic fluff. Step 2. They build systems, not just one-off prompts. Here's another thing the top AI users do differently. They don't stop at one conversation. They build repeatable systems. For example, instead of writing a new prompt every time they want to make social media posts, they create a reusable workflow. 1. Step 1. Generate 10 hooks. 2. Step 2. Expand the best hook into a 60-second script. Step 3. Rewrite the script for Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. That way, they can create content at scale. This is why some creators seem superhuman, because AI is doing 70% of the work for them. Most people never think about this. They just treat AI like a one-time trick instead of a long-term system. But systems are what turn AI from a toy into a money-making machine, because you can repeat the process again and again without starting from scratch. Step 3. They train AI on their own voice. If you've ever felt like AI's answers sound generic and robotic, here's why. You haven't taught it how you talk. The top 1% feed AI examples of their style, their writing, their past projects, even their sense of humor. That's how they get AI to sound like them, not like a textbook. You can literally say, "Here are 3 blog posts I wrote. Learn my tone and style. From now on, answer me like this." Suddenly, your AI stops sounding like a random assistant and starts sounding like you. This is huge for entrepreneurs, writers, and creators who want to stay authentic but save time. Once trained, AI becomes your personal ghostwriter, saving you hours while still keeping your unique personality and brand intact. Step 4. They use AI for thinking, not just writing. Here's the real secret. The top 1% don't just use AI to write stuff. They use it to think. They brainstorm with it. They ask it questions. They challenge its answers. They even use it to find blind spots in their ideas. Imagine you're building a business. You can ask AI, play devil's advocate. What are the top 5 reasons this business might fail? Now you've got insights you would have missed. Most people think AI is just for output, but the pros know it's a thinking partner. It's like having a mastermind group available 24/7, ready to challenge your ideas and make you sharper. Step 5. They combine AI with human creativity. The top 1% know that AI isn't a replacement for human creativity. It's an amplifier. They see AI as a tool that handles the heavy lifting: research, data crunching, summarizing, and even producing first drafts. But they don't stop there. That's just the starting point. They take what AI produces and add the final 10% of magic that only a human can bring. This is where they tweak the language, polish the ideas, and inject personality, humor, or emotion that resonates with real people. Step 6. They use multiple AIs together. Another big difference? The best AI users don't rely on just one tool. They chain tools together. They might use ChatGPT for brainstorming, Claude for rewriting, Midjourney for images, and 11 Labs for voice. This AI stack lets them build entire projects with minimal effort. For example, someone can go from idea to script to video to thumbnail in a single afternoon. That's how creators pump out content daily without burning out. Using multiple AIs lets you get the best of each tool, and it's exactly what sets power users apart from casual dabblers. Step 7. They automate everything they can. The top 1% don't just use AI manually. They set up automations. Imagine this. Every time a new lead fills out a form, AI writes them a personalized welcome email automatically. Or every time you publish a YouTube video, AI creates tweets and posts them for you. These aren't sci-fi ideas. They're real workflows using tools like Zapier, Make, or custom GPTs. The result? More free time, less stress, and consistent results. The goal is to spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time focusing on strategy and creativity. Why most people stay stuck? Here's the hard truth. Most people never get past the first step. They try AI once, get a mediocre result, and give up. Meanwhile, the top 1% keep experimenting. They refine their prompts. They learn what works. They treat AI like a skill, because it is. If you want to be in that 1%, you have to approach it with curiosity and patience. Every time you experiment, you get better. And over time, you start seeing results that compound. What happens? When you get this right. When you start using I like the top 1%, everything changes. Your work gets faster, your ideas get sharper. And if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We've got more deep dives like this coming that will take you from casual AI user to AI power user, fast. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.